Hi everyone and welcome back to Content Hub. Today's video it's going to be interesting guys. Ready? Let's go today topics.
Normal English versus Advanced English. I'm sorry for being late. I apologize for my tardiness. I'm worried about it. I'm concerned about it. It's a good opportunity. It's an excellent prospect. He talked a lot. He was quite loquacious. They did a good job. They executed it masterfully. I'm looking forward to it. I'm eagerly anticipating it. I understand, I comprehend, it's important, it's paramount. I'm tired of this, I'm weary of this. Let's meet soon, let's convene at your earliest convenience. I'm tired, I'm utterly drained, I'm happy, I'm overjoyed, ecstatic. It's very cold, it's freezing, chilly, I'm sad, I'm devastated, downhearted, I'm confused, I'm perplexed, baffled. Let's go, let's proceed. It's easy, it's effortless. He is rude, he is impolite, discourteous.
If you any other questions by the way, please make sure to leave them in a comment for us and maybe we'll talk about in future. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your support to Content Hub.